How old is our universe? Our universe was formed 13.8 billion years ago by Big Bang. And by then, many changes came along. Like the first star was formed 13.7 billion years ago. The first galaxy was formed 13.6 billion years ago. Our planet Earth was formed 4.6 billion years ago. First life on Earth occurred 4 billion years ago. Dinosaurs walked on Earth 240 million years ago. Last dinosaurs walked on Earth by 65.5 million years ago. First human on planet Earth 200,000 years ago. The first human civilization 12,200 years ago. But are all these figures right? So here comes the idea of last Thursdayism. It's the idea that universe was created last Thursday with the physical appearance of being billions of years old. So therefore everything that was ever created was created last Thursday. Everything that you even remember, your memories, everything was created last Thursday. Everything just popped into existence last Thursday. That ultimately means that our past never happened. Now, one of the most interesting thing about this idea is that this idea is unfalsifiable. You just can't prove it wrong, because whatever argument you will give will come under the idea that it just popped into existence last Thursday. Now, this idea falls under philosophy, where luckily we have something called razors, which help us to ignore unlikely explanations. One such razor is called Newton's flaming laser sword. It states that if something is not settled by an experiment, then it's not worthy of debate. So it ultimately says that we can just ignore the idea of last Thursdayism by using this razor. Okay, so let's ignore and let's talk about past. So we one day will become past, and future archaeologists have to make a lot of guesses of how we were, like our archaeologists are doing now. We are making a lot of guesses about our past. One of our hosts of our show very well described it. He asked people a very simple question. Can you name 5 people in the 14th century? And no one just knew, because they thought it just don't matter to them. And in some distant future, people will feel the same about us. If some alien civilization comes to our planet when we are gone, then will they ever understand that the movies that we have made does not depict the actual human history, but is just for fun, entertainment? Will they ever understand that? As time passes, technology will improve, and future humans will know a lot more than us in the fields of physics, space, etc. But that one thing that we know better than them is today. So as always, thanks for watching and be with me.